We were looking at the material palette that came about in that area, and a lot of it is sort of terracotta, brick, Portland stone, and that was really the starting point. I've wanted for a number of years to work with a company called Darwen Terracotta in the north of England, who do all of the restoration terracotta work across London. They've worked on the Royal Albert Hall, and they do all the facades of those beautiful tube stations.
We're the only UK company of any size actually making handmade terracotta and faience. Nowadays, architects, designers, they want to see more actually craft in their projects. They are very keen that the supply is actually from UK as well. We were first approached by actually Philip and Matthew. We discussed the job and it looked great. A few weeks later, they both visited, which is very, very important with the job, actually to come and see how we make it, what we do, have a look at the lab especially, all the glazes. And it's just been, months of actually discussions really. We don't always actually use our terracotta or faience for flooring. It is usually building facades, but I think this is like a special size, like it's a special actually colour. They are 30mm thick, so extremely strong. Faience originates from actually Faenza. It's a glaze application onto your terracotta block. Some glazes might be one coat, some might be 3 coats, actually dependent on actually what's wanted for the job. But the more complicated it is, the more interested it is. There's not one job the same, which is one of the interesting things. Probably the more outlandish are those where it's like a sort of art commission. We did a house for Essex, like for Grayson Perry, so you may know that one. We don't mind the outlandish jobs.